Hey y'all, and welcome to my YouTube channel Oaks and Company. I'm so glad y'all are here today. As you can see, we're jumping right into my office today. It needs a good clean, declutter, and I'm going to give it a mini makeover. So I hope that y'all enjoy this. As you can see, it is quite a mess. I have all kinds of stuff in here. I have my grandkids' toys. I have some baskets for my organization business. I just have junk piled at the top. So I hope that y'all enjoy this, and let's get started.
Uno, dos, tres.
This 3-tier cart. I got it at IKEA and it is so handy. I use it for all my happy planner sticker books and happy planner accessories, but lately it has just become a hub of junk. So I was really excited to get it all cleaned back out and get it all organized so I could sit at my desk and lay stickers down in my happy planner.
Take care, cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started I just can't stop, no, cause I love you, baby, I can't let you go, baby, I gotta tell you that I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too, I just can't quit you now cause I love you. Yes I do. I can't let you go, baby. I can't let
canvas baskets that I'm using are from the Dollar Tree, and they're really cute and they're made quite well. They're just not very structured, and so when I put them up on the top shelf, you'll see at the end that they just kind of sit kind of cockeyed. So I really wouldn't recommend these just too much because they're just not very aesthetically pleasing, and so they work fine. They're just not as pretty and just as like clean and crisp as a regular plastic basket. So, but I just decided to use them on my own home instead of taking them to a client's home. Over to my desk. I got this desk off Facebook Marketplace for $40, and it was brown, and I just brought it home and painted it, and it is just like the perfect thing for me and for my space because it doesn't take up a lot of room, but yet it has quite a bit of storage. Anyway, I swear the things were just like absolutely multiplying. I was getting so tired and just not wanting to push through, but anyway, I did, and of course love the finished product of it, but it is nice to have my desk all clean again. If you are still here, thank you so much for hanging out and staying through the duration of the video. I really appreciate it. It really helps me out a lot. YouTube's algorithm is really weird, so if you don't mind, make sure that you hit that thumbs up button so that they know to put it out even further than just me pushing it out. And make sure that you hit that subscribe button to help support me. I am on my journey to 1,000 subscribers, and I've just hit 300. Yay! I'm so excited. I finally hit that goal. It's just taken me forever, but I did hit 300, and like I said, I'm on a quest for 1,000. So if y'all don't mind to hit the subscribe button and share my videos and help me out, I really appreciate you. I was gonna tell y'all I'm doing my voiceovers and it is pouring rain. So if y'all hear rain, there's really nothing I can do to stop the sound of it. So I'm so sorry if you can hear it, but just bear with me and keep hanging out and watching the video. Y'all, look how much junk I got out of my office space. 3 trash bags of trash and a suitcase, a baby bed toy, and a box for my copier. Like, that's quite a bit of stuff to get out of there. Alright, now on to the fun part. We start taking the pillows off the couch and prepping everything to paint. this windowsill is so dirty. I don't even know the last time I cleaned it, and I was so embarrassed to show it, honestly, but it's real life, and I don't pre-clean before I film. Like, I show you the real deal. So I had to swallow my pride a little bit to record it, but here it is, and it was so awesome to have it nice and clean again. Now on to painting. This color is Peppercorn by Sherwin-Williams. I love this color. I have it in my living room as an accent on my bar, and I also have it at the bottom half of my dining room. And I had some leftover paint, and I thought, what the heck, let's try it, because the couch that I have, I got free off Facebook Marketplace, and it's a sleeper sofa. And at first I didn't really like the color, but then I was like, you know what, that color is really popular. I bet if I do an accent wall that it'll pop that couch. And sure enough, it did. But I had a couch cushion cover thing on it, and it was awful. It was like trying to baptize a cat to put that thing on that couch. So I was like, okay, I gotta do something different. So embracing the color and doing an accent wall. Y'all, I found these curtains at Walmart for $11.97. They're 84 inches, so standard window size, and it was 2 panels in a pack for that price. I was so excited. So they're white with that camel color in it, and then the dark gray and a light gray. And so it really tied the room together, and I'm absolutely loving them. Hobby Lobby the other day and found this sign. It was regularly $69.99, which I thought was crazy expensive, but anyway, I got it on clearance for $17, and I was so excited. So I thought that just kind of topped that wall off. And then the pillows I'm putting up here, I've had those throughout my house. They're pillow covers that I got off Amazon, so you may or may not recognize those, but that's where they came from.
So happy and the sun will shine all night. Have a good time, let everybody sing. Why don't you?
Alright, so here's my rug. I got this at Walmart for like $15, and it has all those same colors in it, the gray and taupe and camel, and there's some white in it, and it just really ties it together, and I absolutely love it. Here's the closet. As you can see, the grandkids' toys are on the right. And then those baskets up top, see how they kind of sit cockeyed? That's why I was like, I ain't taking those to nobody else. They have crayons and Play-Doh and all that kind of stuff up there. And then to the left, we have my basket stash. This closet is so much more functional for me. I'm not having to dig through. Things are not falling out. It is just way better. And then here's the room. I love, love, love the way this turned out. It is so comfortable. and I'll be glad to have some guests over. That couch is a pull-out bed, so that's why it's an office / guest room. My nephews call it the hangout. And then here's my desk, and I have my 3-tier cart over here with all my planner stickers and stuff, and I love that I can just sit down and get right to work. And then up top I was going to show you my mother-in-law's Apostolic Legend Award. It'll be over here to the right. And as far as I know, she's the first woman that ever received that, and then that's her book up there, the front row. So I thought that was kind of neat, and I just wanted to share it with you. But if you like this video, make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button, and share my video with all your friends. See you next time.